Welcome, and from me is CUBOT Max 2, and today I will show you how to access the Fastboot mode on the device. So we're going to begin with shutting out the device, so hold power key, select power off, and confirm it. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're going to then hold power key and volume up. Okay, so now that it's off, power key, volume up simultaneously. And once you see the logo, we can let go immediately. So right now. Give it a moment and we should see recovery mode right about now. And from here we'll use volume keys to navigate. So volume down to go down, volume up to go up. And with that in mind, select Reboot to Bootloader and confirm it with power key. Get a message on the bottom, rebooting to Bootloader. And soon after we should see Fastboot mode on the bottom, and there it is. So as you can see, now the device is in Fastboot mode. And if you want to leave this mode, simply just hold the power key till you see the Fastboot mode disappear. And now that it's gone, you can let go and the device will reboot back into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would access and leave Fastboot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.